Hey everyone, James here. Welcome back to Tech Pulse for a new tutorial. If you're dealing with the iPhone lock to owner issue, also known as the iCloud activation lock, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through all the possible ways to remove the iCloud activation lock. These methods work across all Apple devices, whether it's an iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. I understand you've probably tried various software and unlocking services only to be disappointed when they didn't work. You're not alone. I've been in the same boat, spending money on services that promised results but failed to deliver. But what if I told you there's a better solution? A method that's safer, faster, and, best of all, completely free. That's right. This method is not only free, but also tested and proven to consistently remove iCloud activation locks on devices. It has worked every single time I've used it. So stick around until the end of the video, and I'll share this amazing solution with you. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Just a little reminder. This tutorial is only for those who own a device and need assistance because they forgot their login details. We will not tolerate any illegal stuff that unlocking stolen devices. Let's keep to legal practices and respect each other's rights. Our videos are all complying to YouTube's terms and conditions. All clear? Let's go. Grab your iPhone or Android or any other device like a desktop and open your browser. Go ahead and type ditchsim.com into the search bar. Once you're on the website, click this button saying iCloud. In this next page, you'll need to fill in the necessary details of the device you're trying to unlock. The most important information required here is the IMEI number of your device. This number is essential for bypassing the iCloud activation lock. Don't know your IMEI number? No worries. Here's how you can find it. If you do not know how to find your IMEI, I'll guide you on how to find it. Simply press this iOS tutorial button. After you click it, you will see a short tutorial on how to retrieve your IMEI. Once you have the IMEI, enter it here. Make sure to confirm your IMEI number before proceeding to the next step to prevent any problems. After entering the IMEI, you'll need to select your device type. Since we are unlocking an iPhone, I'll select iOS device. Now click the Unlock button to begin the process of bypassing the iCloud activation lock. The system will now begin working to remove the lock. This can take a few minutes, so be patient as it completes the necessary steps. While we wait, remember to keep your device connected to the internet for the process to complete smoothly. Once the process is almost complete, let's move over to my iPhone and check if the activation lock is already removed. Let's restart the iPhone first so we can see the result of the unlocking process. After the process has finished, the iPhone should now be unlocked, and you will be able to access the home screen without seeing the iPhone locked to owner message anymore. Congratulations! Your iPhone is now free from the iCloud activation lock, and you can set it up as new or restore from a backup. You're ready to enjoy your unlocked iPhone. Tried the method but didn't get the results you wanted? No worries, we've got something for you. Every week, we're giving away 300 free unlocks to our subscribers. It's simple to join. Like this video. Subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment with your device model. In your comment, be sure to include your device model, IMEI, and country. Once you complete these steps, you'll be automatically entered into the weekly Unlock giveaway. Make sure your details are correct to avoid any issues. Good luck! Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and hit subscribe for more content and lessons. Also, be sure to hit the notification bell so you stay updated with any new uploads. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Bye.